Robert Bache, Medicare Bob. We are doing a Wednesday rate watch, and today we're going to focus on Medicare Supplement Plan G in Houston, Texas. So we're going to take a look at what carriers are charging for a 65-year-old female and male, and a 70-year-old female and male in Houston, Texas for Medicare Supplement Plan G right now. So we're going to take a look at zip code 77001, and as I mentioned, we're going to take a look at a 65-year-old female. Okay, so the way this works is we can pull quotes for anybody anywhere in the country for all the Medicare supplement plans. Let's go back. Okay, and here are the 65-year-old female quotes in Houston, Texas, 77001, Harris County. This is a 65-year-old female, non-tobacco, and we're going to look here, and there's a company with the best value for Plan G right now is Western United Life Assurance Company, which is Manhattan Life, and they are charging $103.92 a month for Plan G. GPM Health and Life is the next best price at $105.62. United World Life is $118.04. That's Mutual of Omaha. Okay, you may never have heard them called United World Life, but they have different entities in different states, and right now in Texas they're United World Life, and as you can see it's actually Mutual of Omaha at $118.04. Cigna's a great company at $120.50. Aetna's $120.80. Transamerica is about $122. United Healthcare, which is endorsed by AARP, is $130. As you see, as I scroll down, the prices increase. Now, people not everyone understands this, but this is the same exact Plan G. So all these different companies charge a different amount for the same exact plan. That's where a broker like us come in, where we help you get the best price for the right plan. So as you scroll down, you see Bankers is $187, and they have higher prices. So you always want to choose a really good company. I always say an A-rated company that has the best value. So in this scenario, if you are a 65-year-old female and you're in Houston, Texas, you're turning 65, I would choose GPM Health and Life at the $105.62 price. Let's take a look at a 65-year-old male. Here we go. So this is a 65-year-old male, Houston, Texas, non-tobacco. This does not include any discounts, so some companies have lower prices because they do give household discounts. If you want an exact quote for you, just leave a comment below and we can help you with that. Same company, a lot of times it's going to be the same company that's the best price for a woman as it is a man in a certain zip code. As you can see here, Western United Life, which again is Manhattan Life, which is owned by Harris Insurance Holdings Group. Their price is $128.42. Transamerica is an A-plus company. They're at $129.95. GPM again at $130.62. United Healthcare, which is marketed as AARP Medicare Supplement, is $141.20. Cigna's $146. United World Life, which is again is Mutual of Omaha, that's $150.71. And then Aetna is $157.85. So as I scroll down, the prices get higher, but again, same plan G. Your doctor's going to take it the same. It's going to pay the same. Plan G is my favorite plan right now for 2018, 2019, and 2020. It's going to pay everything but the Medicare Part B deductible, and you can keep your doctor. And in this scenario, I would recommend Transamerica at the $129.95. So now let's take a look at a 70-year-old female. So let's say you purchased a Medicare supplement when you first turned 65. A lot of us go 3 to 5 years without shopping that plan. You get an increase every year. I encourage you to shop it. So let's say you're a 70-year-old female and you've had the same plan now for 5 years because you got it when you were 65. You can most likely save a lot of money for the same exact coverage. In this scenario, for a 70-year-old female in Houston, Texas, 77001, non-tobacco. Again, I don't have any discounts applied. GPM Health and Life is $123.47. That's the best price, best value. Western United, again, is $124.25. Transamerica, $137. Cigna is about a little over $141. Mutual of Omaha is $142. Aetna, $146. These are all really good companies. The only difference is price, and the benefits are exactly the same. So I know I sound like a beat a drum, but at the same time, people really have a hard time grasping that concept, that even though it's the same plan, the benefits pay the same, the doctors take it the same, the prices are very different. It's like going to a gas station. It's going to be the same gas for a different price, or getting milk at Walgreens compared to getting milk at Walmart. Same milk could be less at Walmart than it is at Walgreens. It's the same thing when you're shopping for a Medicare supplement plan. the last quote we're going to take a look at is a 70-year-old male. Again, same zip, non-tobacco. GPM is 141.98. Western United Life is 142.98. Transamerica is 146.88. Mutual of Omaha is about 160. Cigna's about 160. Aetna's 168. United Healthcare, which is AARP, is 174.76. So this plan, great company. I love United Healthcare, nothing wrong with them. But it's about $175 a month for the same exact plan that's $142 with GPM. So that's, almost $400 a year more for the same exact plan. It really doesn't make sense. If I'm advising you, I'm going to recommend you go to Plan G, and I'm going to recommend that we find a good company with an A-rated or higher, and we're going to get the best price out of all these companies. You don't just want to talk to one company because they're going to maybe charge you more money than you should be paying. So, wrap up. For Houston, Texas, my favorite plan for the next few years is going to be Medicare Supplement Plan G. I call it the greatest value. You can keep your doctors. Your only out-of-pocket cost is going to be $183 this year. That's the Part B deductible. After that, it pays everything just like Plan F that Medicare approves. So you'll have no co-pays, no other out-of-pocket costs. If you go to the hospital, it's going to pay everything. If you get an outpatient procedure, Medicare is going to pay $80, and the Plan G is going to pay the other 20%. Plan G, there's over 30 companies that offer it. There's about 12 A-rated companies that I would recommend. Out of those companies, as I showed you the pricing, you want to get the best price out of those companies. Now, I only went over 2 age groups, 65 and 70. If you are a different age group, please give us a call. Leave a comment below. I'm happy to give you your quote. If you're watching this video and you're not in Houston, Texas, keep in mind we can pull these quotes for you everywhere in the country. We are licensed and approved to offer this program in all 50 states. So if you have any questions, comment below and I can give you a quote where you live. Also, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, our podcast, follow our Facebook page. We're really just trying to keep you educated about your Medicare options and the prices that are out there. So any way you can follow us, I can keep you informed about your Medicare options. Have a great day, everyone.